In front of me is INFINIX Hot 60i, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Start by launching Xteam app and tapping on theme at the bottom to either pick one of those, select one of those three options, or click on the search bar and type in whatever you want to. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, after finding a perfect theme, download it, wait, and then hit apply. Wait again, and as you can see, after a few seconds, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to your default one, you can do that by going back to Xteam app. This time, select Me at the bottom right corner and hitting My Themes at the top. Then click on this one and tap on Apply button to go back to your default theme. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!